guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the second fight of Peter Griffin versus the chicken. And you remember I said from the first part of them fighting that to let me know in the comments down below if you want to see another one. But nobody didn't do it, and I decided I'm gonna do it anyway because it got a lot of views from the last one. Pretty happy with it, so I'm gonna do it. So let's get started.
I don't want to bring a new baby into the world with him running around.
Okay, first of all, Bonnie, you've been pregnant for like 6 years, all right? Either have the baby or don't. Second of all, Quagmire's a good guy. He's just a little mixed up.
Wait, guys.
Second of all, Quagmire's a good guy. He's just a little mixed up.
You see this part when Peter's trying to talk to Barney? Let's watch that again, but in slow mode. Who's gonna win, you think? I think Peter's gonna win. The chicken sucks. Because Peter could just grab a hot fire to cook until he could eat it. Yeah, he could have. Dang, what's happening? Let's go. Wait. When he comes up to the window, look, you can see the bums. The chicken's bum and Peter's bum. Make that guy crash. Can't see. Oh no. Oh dang. What is happening? And also, if you want to watch the first part of their fight, it will be in the link down below. What the heck?
This isn't medium rare.
Then have them take it back.
Oh, wait. Look at the chickens do it again. He's punching with his beak. Let's watch that in slow mode. That is crazy. Peter and the chicken never get along. They never do. And then, is the ship going to the airport? Dang. Let's watch this again when they crash into the airport in slowed mode. Oh, dang. Did he kill that guy or something? Because it looked like he did. It looked like they're running over the ship. Oh dang, the chicken's gonna die. Oh no. Let's watch it again, the chicken's reaction in slow mode. Okay, we did the second fight of Peter Griffin versus the chicken. So thank you all for watching, and I'll promise you I'll have, I think there's about 4 parts. I think I said 6 or 7, but there's actually 4 parts when the fight. So I'm gonna bring the other 2 so we can have all 4 of them on my YouTube channel. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.